Paul, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Babacar. I'm excited to be here.
We're excited to have you, and we're excited to talk about our bread and butter with Milwaukee Tool, which is cordless power tools. And it's hard to think about how far cordless technology has come in the last 10 to 15 years. Because right now there are products powered by batteries that certainly I never would have come close to imagining could ever be cordless. It's just been incredible to see.
Yeah, honestly, it's even exceeded, my expectations. When you look at it at the end, it's the user that's brought us here, but they've really pushed us. We've got a talented group of people who are exceptionally passionate about our user and figuring out how are we going to deliver productivity and safety for the site that they're on. Now, that's driven us to really relentlessly invest in technology and the people that can put it to work to drive that change on the job site.
Being part of Milwaukee myself over the years, that passion and that technology is something that we apply across all of our systems, and system compatibility I know is something that's important to all of us. So can you walk us through why Milwaukee has 3 dedicated systems?
Yeah, Babacar, our approach is a little bit unique, right? We've said that system for us isn't about every time we're challenged a little bit on power or runtime, we just create a whole new system and ask the user to buy a lot of the same products all over again. Each of our 3 systems, M12, M18, MX Fuel, each of them represents a commitment to our user and a commitment to the people that are in those systems for the long term, right? We're committed to continuously delivering innovation and disruption on each of those systems, but doing it in a way that we build compatibility and system for the long term. Each of these is purpose-built for delivering breakthrough solutions that are truly optimized to each use case for the user.
Let's start off with how we're investing in M12 first.
Yeah, when we spoke to that commitment earlier, one of the things you'll see in M12 is that we're going to deliver 12 new tools in 2020 alone. And we have a lot of major competitors that have barely managed to deliver 12 tools in the last decade on a system that competes with M12. At its core, we're going to continue to do the things we do in M12. We're going to continue to put the ergonomic benefits of lithium ion to work. You think about our ability to go in and take on the hand tool, the hacksaw, the tubing cutter, the rivet tools. We've done a lot of great work like that. M12 has also been a huge way that we disrupt the pneumatic space, where M12's really become the #1 replacement of the small air tool in the shop today. What started with ratchets is joined this year by 3 more tools set to convert the pneumatic space. Look at a straight die grinder, right angle impact wrenches, and a first to M12 nailer. M12 is also for us always been about helping our users work smarter, not harder. And really M12 Fuel has been something that's allowed us to continue to do that, deliver tremendous portability, but also performance. And this year you'll see 6 new additions to that M12 Fuel family, including a vacuum and also an M12 Fuel multi-tool, which is a hugely requested product. Finally, we know that there's still product categories that our customer wants us to go into, and you'll see us expand into a product category that we've had a ton of folks ask us for. Overall, Babacar, we have not skipped a beat when it comes to the expansion of M12 and its family. We'll be over 120 tools here in 2020 and still a ton more to come.
Now I want to go through and shift gears a little bit because M12 launching 12 new tools this year is huge, but M18 launching 20 this year, it's crazy.
Absolutely. That's every bit of the truth. You're going to see 20 additional tools on M18 this year. What started a dozen years ago in pursuit of really eliminating a lot of frustration from so many different power sources on the job site, using everything we're doing at battery, at motor, and electronics to deliver a compatible platform that would allow us to eliminate 18-volt NiCad, AC cords, pneumatics, 2-cycle engines in some cases. It's really allowed us to build the #1 trade-focused cordless system in the world. You're going to see us continue to chase that AC cord from the site. You're going to see a breakthrough product like the M18 8-inch metal cutting saw, which is capable of cutting 1/2-inch thick plate steel and cutting over 120 feet of corrugated decking on a single charge. You're going to see us continue innovation in places that that Milwaukee is legend. Things like the next generation of a Sawzall and a Whole Hog. You're going to see us continue to work to obsolete pneumatics from the job site with solutions like the framing nailer and the stapler. Yes, Babacar, I said the framing nailer. It does exist. I've seen the memes. Nope, it's real. We're finally shipping the M18 fuel framing nailer. And for those customers that aren't quite ready to go there, we're also going to deliver an M18 fuel compressor for those that are ready to start heading towards cordless, but not give up those pneumatics all the way. We're also taking on that pneumatic user in the shop. We've created a leadership in the impact space, and we've got some awesome new wrenches still to come here in 2020.
That's ridiculous. That is a huge list of new innovation that's going to be hitting this line already, packed with a ton of great offerings.
Yeah, hey, beyond that, we're going to continue to deliver on our commitment to mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. You're going to continue to see us drive innovation and job site cleanup. You're going to see a second generation of lighting solutions, and also a huge fan favorite, you're going to see us integrate two of the world's most popular systems. You're going to see us bring M18 and PACKOUT together for the first time. In the end of the day, M18 remains the most capable, most diverse system of solutions the job site has ever seen. Over 230 tools now, built from the ground up, focused on the trades.
Just incredible. We're really looking forward to all of that innovation to come out with, and I can just hear the amount of excitement coming from people who are finally able to see that M18 and PACKOUT joining in our platform. But I really want to dive into our last one here, the newest one that people are really excited about, MX Fuel.
Babacar, introducing a new system is not something that people in this building take lightly. But the challenges our user had with safety and productivity when it came to that light equipment space, man, they were way too big for us to ignore. The team went out and designed the MX Fuel system from the ground up to be focused on the requirements of that light equipment space, which has a very different set of needs from the things we're doing today in M12 and in M18. I think the thing to remember here, though, is that unlike M12 and M18, where we started those systems back in 2007, this one's on the very first pitch of the first inning. And already, though, we're seeing disruption on the job site. You're seeing a core drill that can deliver unmatched control for that user and a new level of safety and productivity. You're seeing a breaker that, although it runs on a battery, it hits harder and delivers lower vibration than the solutions the user has in their hand today. You're seeing a cutoff saw that for those users, we're eliminating emissions for everybody that uses it. And depending on the kind of work you do, it's either a great supplement to a fleet of existing saws, or if what you do is cut rebar and pipe and things like that, it may totally replace your gas saw on the site. That's kind of where we've started, but already there's more to come on MX Fuel. What you're going to see in the months to come is a sewer machine, a power supply that's completely emissions-free and delivers power where you need it, a tower light that changes the way people work versus these cumbersome tow-behind lights that are really a lousy solution for so many times where light's needed on the job site. All that said, like I said before, we're still very early in this whole MX piece, and there's a ton more to come in the future.
We can't wait to see how that system expands not only in the next couple of months, but in the future as well. And it's really great to see the long future ahead for all of three of these systems. And I know that I'm looking forward, and I know the people watching are really looking forward to seeing all of the new product announcements over the course of this new series.
Yeah, hey, Babacar, I speak for our entire team when I say we're exceptionally excited too. Our team wakes up every single day focused on figuring out how we exceed our customers' expectations. We're fueled by everything we see in support and feedback from our system users. All the energy and the passion that they give us, the feedback they give us, makes us better every single day. And if I could, I'd love to say thank you to everybody for all the support and the constant feedback we get to help make us smarter, make us better in terms of what we deliver to the job site.